Your home should be more than just a place where you sleep. It should be a breathtaking sanctuary that knows your name. Today, the noise stops. We are revealing the final transformation of this space, from a plain, muddy yard into a prism of tranquility. I'm Beki, and this is our Soulful Sunday Reveal. If you've been searching for a way to build a modern oasis for under $50, you're home. Let's step into the stillness. Hello to my beautiful community of mindful creators. I know life can be loud, but in this space, we perform material alchemy to find the quiet. Today is special. We aren't just looking at decor ideas. We are witnessing the scenic revelation of a backyard transformed through smart landscaping and a lot of heart. In 2026, the trend is shifting towards sentimentalism and eco-friendliness. And today's reveal is the ultimate testament to what is possible when you believe in your yard's infinite potential. The Sanctuary Revelation, a Soulful Sunday Masterclass. 1. The heart of the sanctuary. When I look out into my backyard, I don't see grass and fences. I see a space with so much infinite potential. For too long, we've treated our outdoor areas as extra work, mowing, weeding, and chores. But a well-designed backyard can become an extension of your home and a spot to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy nature. Today's reveal is about the psychology of space. Why settle for ordinary when you can craft a vibrant, inviting atmosphere that reflects your unique story? We started with a small, plain yard that was often a muddy mess due to poor drainage. But in 2026, we don't let obstacles stop our material alchemy. We solve them. We've integrated smart landscaping decisions to achieve a look that feels like a high-end estate, but cost us less than a weekend dinner out. We are shifting away from mass-produced plastic and toward organic modernism, where every stone and plant feels intentional. This philosophy is about more than aesthetics. It's about biophilic intent. By choosing materials that age gracefully, we are creating a dialogue between the architecture of our home and the wildness of the earth. We are reclaiming our time by designing spaces that nourish us rather than drain us. When you walk into a yard with spatial integrity, your heart rate slows. You recognize that you aren't just outside, you are home. Two, the $50 Prayer Garden. The art of stillness. The centerpiece of this reveal is the peaceful prayer garden. I know that having a calm spot for prayer helps me step away from daily distractions and connect with what matters most. This is a modern oasis designed specifically for reflection. We used upcycled materials, old stones gathered from the property line and funky junk metal we polished into architectural statements. This corner isn't just pretty, it has spatial integrity. It creates a physical boundary between the world's noise and your inner peace. By using a unified palette of obsidian and weathered stone, we've created an expensive-looking retreat for practically zero cost. This is the retiree's joy. A hands-on project that offers an artistic outlet and a meaningful place to sit at sunset. We added a simple wood slat screen painted in obsidian to create a sense of enclosure without blocking the breeze. In 2026, We call this shadow architecture. It's the art of using simple lines to create complex feelings of safety and privacy. Notice how the dark color makes the surrounding greenery pop with a neon-like intensity. This is the visual echo we strive for, where the man-made and the natural amplify each other's beauty. It is a monument to the art of stillness, reminding us that the most valuable thing we can build is a place for our own thoughts. Three. Engineering the scenic retreat, drainage and design. You can't have beauty without functionality. Before we could reach this Serene Garden Inspiration, we had to deal with the mud. Poor garden drainage can turn your outdoor space into a disaster, leading to root rot, mold, and even structural issues for your house. But the good news? You can solve most drainage problems without spending a fortune or hiring professionals. We implemented cheap and easy garden drainage by redirecting water flow into a dry creek bed, made of river rock. This isn't just functional. It's a scenic backyard landscaping feature. It adds texture and a modern edge to the yard while protecting our foundation. This is the senior designer's secret. Make your solutions part of the aesthetic. We turned a muddy mess into a luminous highlight by adding solar-powered micro-LEDs along the rock path. Now, the water has a place to go, and our eyes have a beautiful path to follow. By using material alchemy, we took a problem, standing water, and turned it into an opportunity for atmospheric curation. The stones act as a tactile anchor, providing a sense of permanence and weight to the landscape. It's a reminder that even the messy parts of our lives can be redirected into something of profound beauty if we have the right blueprint. Four. Modern logic and vertical artistry. Modern backyard gardens can really change how you feel about your space. It draws you outside. We've utilized vertical artistry to make this small footprint feel like an enchanted retreat. By mounting repurposed vintage bird cages and using hanging prisms, we created infinite volume. If you have a small yard, don't look at the ground, look at the sky. This is about atmospheric curation. Each carefully crafted space combines elements of water, stone, and living color. Whether it's through the whisper of our DIY waterfall or the vibrant hues of our upcycled flower beds, every setting speaks to the artistry of relaxation. Your garden is more than just a patch of green. It's your personal refuge. In 2026, we prioritize wild but refined planting, letting native perennials seed themselves for a romantic, self-sustaining look. This reduces the chore aspect of gardening while increasing the sentimental value. We are creating vertical narratives, using trellises and hanging elements to tell a story that moves the eye upward. This creates a sense of spatial grandeur, even in the tightest layouts. When you master vertical artistry, you aren't just planting a garden, you are building an atmosphere that envelops you in a green embrace. Five. The final walkthrough and luminous shadows. See how the light catches the texture of the stones. This is the luminous integrity we talked about. By focusing on refined materials and shadow architecture, we achieved a high-end look without breaking the bank. Style and luxury are finally within reach for every mindful creator. This yard is no longer a chore. It is a breathtaking sanctuary. As we walk through these paths, notice the luminous shadows. At night, our DIY sculptures cast intricate patterns on the ground, creating a romantic evening oasis. We aren't just lighting the space, we are defining it. This is the ultimate goal of material alchemy, to take the mundane and make it magical. We have turned $50 and a few weekends into a legacy of peace. You don't need a mansion to live in luxury, you just need the vision to see the infinite potential in what you already have. Thank you for walking through this sanctuary with me today. My prayer for you is that you find a corner of your home to reclaim, a spot where you can breathe and remember your infinite potential. If this reveal inspired you, please share your journey in the comments. I love hearing how you are performing material alchemy in your own spaces. Hit that subscribe button for our Soulful Sunday Reveal, and I'll see you next Tuesday for our next masterclass. Trust your instinct, embrace the stillness, and let your inner light shine through your home. We are a community of creators, and together, we are making the world a little quieter, a little more beautiful, and a lot more soulful. I'm Beki, and I'll see you in the next revelation. Stay inspired.